My job is to keep our company safe as it does business. There are hackers out there looking for ways to get into our systems, but my team gets the job done with protecting our data. Our employees practice safe security habits to keep our security risks to a minimum, and we do the same when it comes to the businesses we partner with. If there is a history of poor security management resulting in a breach, chances are it'll happen again. When a company you partner with puts their data at risk, your data also gets thrown into the crosshairs of hackers and their planned attacks. Using HackNotice, you get alerts for breaches and leaks that could affect your business in real time. More importantly, you can check the histories of potential partners to determine which of them practice safe security habits to ensure minimal risk of breaches and leaks in the future. It's an important responsibility to protect your business against fraudsters and criminals. Be confident that your potential business partners do their part to protect their business. Go to hacknotice.com and sign up today.